easiest way to make money online. So hello guys, my name is Mr. Kenny, and if this is your first time seeing my video, kindly click on the follow button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I don't feel like making any videos today, right? I don't feel like teaching about YouTube or any how to make money and everything, but I decided to drop these tips for you right before I head out to where I want to go. I wanted to go somewhere, but I just decided to make this video before I head out, right? I'll be showing you guys the easiest way to make money online, right? So come with me. Number 1, men's lust. Number 2, women's desire for beauty. Number 3, elderly health. Number 4, children's education. Number 5, rich people fear of loss. Number 6, poor people desire to get rich. Now in all this, learn how to market your product, right? Whether offline or online, learn how to market your product, because money, success and marketing are like this. Success and marketing are like this, whether online or offline, right? You have to learn how to market your product, and you have to keep marketing it. Not only learning or market it once, you have to keep marketing your product, right, for you to become successful. These are little things why some people are poor and some people are rich, right? Learn marketing is very essential, whether in business, in your talent, in your anything. But marketing is not the first thing, right? It's not the main thing to learn. You have to be willing to do, be willing to sell, be willing to, you will be willing to do it first. But the funny part is that almost all of us know this, right? Both you and me, we all know this. But are we doing it? No. See, I usually tell my students this thing. The only thing that separates the rich from the poor is the ability to do. Let me say it again. The only thing that separates the rich, success from failure, is the ability to do. You know this thing, are you doing it? I know how to create content, are you doing it? That's the only thing that separates the rich from the poor. Always have this in mind. Success is for those who are doing, not those who know how to do. You don't understand? I said success is for those who are doing, not those who know how to do. If God bless you with a good talent, you can sing, you can dance, right? You have this special ability in you that no one else has, right? Let me tell you the bitter truth right now. That is not enough for you to get rich. That is not enough for you to make it in life. It's just like gold, right? Let me use gold as an example. They find gold in one land. Okay, let me say they find gold in Lagos, right? But that gold is still in the ground, right? They didn't mine it, they just left it there. It's not going to make any millions or billions. It's still there. It's of no use. That's how it is. That's the raw truth. But guess what's keeping you down? Your fear of you being criticized, your fear of what people go talk, your fear of failure, your fear of embarrassment. That's what's keeping you down. Nothing else. You have to keep pushing. Anytime you wake up in the morning, on camera, do your thing, make your video, post, right? Don't really send anybody. Don't put your hope on anybody, right? Don't put your hope in anybody. Maybe you are putting your hope in one big content creator or your family members, right? That when you post your video, they are going to watch it. They are not going to watch your video. Nobody is going to watch your video. Even those people that will support you are the people that you don't know. The people that you haven't even met even for once in your life, right? So do your thing, post your video. Not expect anything from anybody. Not really expect anything from anybody. Do your thing. Like I said before, if God bless you with any talent, right? With any talent at all, right? You can just on your camera and video yourself. Do it. If you are dancing, on your camera, dance. Post it online. No, don't wait for anybody to come and motivate you or, ginger you to come and do it, right? You just have to do it yourself. You have to keep pushing alone, because if you are waiting for someone to motivate you to start it or start doing it, you will see reasons to stop, right? You must see reasons to stop doing it. right? You have to motivate yourself. Do it alone for the meantime. Your pain is for you alone. Your success is for everyone. Always have this mentality. Your pain is for you alone. Your success is for everyone, right? So whenever you are trying to build something, right, always you will always do it alone. You will always do it alone at first. Then when it starts to pay off, you will see everybody will not join you, celebrate you. That's how life is. It's not easy. Forget, it's not easy. I've been there, right? So I know how it feels like building, trying to build yourself by yourself without any support, any motivation and everything. But you have to do it alone. So if you're not doing anything, try to learn something to do it. Just like this thing, right? This is not Yahoo money. It's not Yahoo money. It's not Aza money, right? This is YouTube. Someone is making this amount, $100,000 on YouTube, and you're still waiting for someone to come and motivate you, still waiting for someone to come and tell you how to do it, or still waiting for God. Just start on your camera, do your thing, post your video, whether it's good or not. Do your thing. Every day you wake up, make your videos, right? Don't let anybody to come and motivate you, or waiting for someone to. If you're waiting for people to come and motivate you, you will see enough reasons for you to stop. You will see more than enough reasons for you to stop. You have to do it alone. Keep pushing, keep doing your thing. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you don't know the video to create, right? You don't know where to start and how to go about it. You have ChatGPT in your phone. Simply go to ChatGPT and type. Maybe search for any script, search for any topics. If you're a content creator, if you're a comedian, right? If you're a comedian, you just go there, search for script. ChatGPT will give you script, right? So there's nothing can stop you from creating content. So I think I'll stop here for now, right? So I can start heading out, right? So if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and always turn on your notification button so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Peace and love.